If you're a licensed real estate agent who has lofty goals, but you just can't hit those goals because you're spending way too much time doing back-end tedious tasks that are holding you back from accomplishing those goals, I've got an opportunity for you. That opportunity is to join the independent team here at Whissel Realty Group. Here's what's great about this. This is an opportunity that we haven't put out there publicly before, but this is an opportunity for you to plug into all of the amazing things that we're doing here at Whissel Realty Group while maintaining your independence and doing your own thing at the same time. So that means you're gonna get all the back-end support that we have here at Whissel Realty Group, where we really pride ourselves on the systems, the structure, and the support that are gonna position you to succeed. But at the same time, you're gonna maintain your independence and utilize those things to elevate your personal brand so that you can be the star of the show. In addition to the system structure and support, you're gonna have the ability to plug into the 4 offices that we have: La Mesa, North Park, Carlsbad, and in Temecula. You can go to any of those offices anytime, plug into everything that we're doing there, the role plays, the meetings, all that great stuff that's gonna really help you elevate yourself. You're also gonna be able to take all of the training that we offer here at Whissel Realty Group and plug into our mentor program to really get you into gear as quick as possible and get you back on track with hitting those goals that you've set for yourself. So the other great thing about this program is that it gives you the team environment that a lot of us really need. We need that culture. We need people around us that are pushing us and elevating us to get to that next level. We've got agents on this team that are doing $500,000, even $1 million+ a year in GCI. When you can get around that team environment, it can really help you elevate and get to that next level. But the beauty is you get the team environment without having to have all the expectations that get put on you being on a team, without having to get the low splits that are part of being on a team. You can get those higher splits, but still get that same team environment. And our goal is really to help you get out from behind the desk and get in front of clients. By taking off a lot of those tedious tasks, you can get your time back and get back to making more money. So if this is an opportunity that you're interested in, we'd love to talk to you.